Hi guys, welcome back. Dan here from Design Mountain, bringing you all things design. This week I've got a modelling exercise for you. There's going to be a drawing linked in the description so you can download and digest it at your leisure. The model is a relatively simple part and it's going to look at features like the extrude cut, fin feature and fillets. And it's going to take sort of between 5 and 10 minutes. I'm also going to break it down, do a video of me modelling it, showing you my thought process. So hopefully you can take something away from it. Alright guys, let's jump in and take a look. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. We've got content coming weekly, so make sure you don't miss out. Okay guys, this is the part we're going to have a go at today. And it's worth noting, just spend a bit of time before you start modelling to familiarise yourself with the part. So just going to quickly break this down. I'm going to start by doing the rectangular base. Then we can add some fillets in. Then we're going to switch planes, come and do this circular detail. Then we can add this sort of base infill and add some fillets. So let's have a go. So we're going to select the top plane, select sketch. I'm going to use the center rectangle tool. Come up to smart dimensions and we're going to make it 150 by 85. And we're going up to features and extrude. Thickness is 8mm. And just going to flip it down there. Then we're going to select the front plane, come up to sketch, and going to go normal to. Select a circle, and just going to place it there for the moment. And just going to double check our dimensions for this one. So it's 40mm up from the base of the plate and 75 in, so it's on the center line, and its internal diameter is 35. So come up to smart dimensions. I'm going to make it 35. We're going to add 40mm from the base of the plate. And then because it's on the center line, what we can do is add a relation, so it's not constrained that way. So select the point, select the origin, and we can add a vertical relation there. And black is denoting that the sketch is fully defined, so that's good to go. Going to come up to features, use the extrude feature, and we're going to use the fin feature on this one. And we're 8mm thick, and then we're going to select mid plane and 40mm for the width. We'll just come back into the drawing and double check that. So it's 40mm, and yeah, the 8mm is there. So then we can now add this infill at the bottom. So we've got 45 degrees and it's 40mm from the center point. So we're going to select the front plane, come to sketch, going to select the line, going to go normal to again. And I'm not going to worry too much about this sketch at the moment. I'm just going to roughly put it in there. So come up to smart dimensions. We know that this angle here is 45 and the width was 40mm. And then just going to come to circle, snap on there and make the circle. We'll select that and we'll select cordial and then come up and use the trim tool. Trim it away. And what we're going to do is select that line there and go to for construction. Come up to the mirror, select the lines we want to mirror, and then select the construction line to mirror about. And then there's a blue dot there, so we're just going to define that up. So once we've got our sketch there, we're happy with that, it's fully defined. We'll come up to features, extrude, we'll go mid-plane 40mm. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I think we've got the fillets to add in. Let's check the drawing. So we've got 4 by R20, which is on the corners, and 2 times R10. So we can add them in now. Come up to fillet. I'm just going to hide the planes a minute for clarity. Fillet, we'll do the 20mm first. So we'll select the 4 corners of our plate. And then we'll do the 10mm fillets. And it's looking quite good. I think the final thing to do is we've got these 4 10mm holes, and they are 120 by 55. So we're going to select that plane, we're going to go sketch, and we're going to go center rectangle again. We'll go normal 2, escape that. I'm going to right click on the rectangle there, select chain, going to make it for construction because it's going to define the points for our holes, 120 by 55. And I'm going to come up to this circle and we're going to add 4 circles in. Going to hold control on the keyboard, selecting all circles, and we're going to apply an equal relationship because they are all the same diameter. Going to use smart dimensions, make it 10mm, come up to the features, extrude cut, and we can apply a through all end condition. And that is the part. Hope you find it helpful and enjoy. So that's the model for this week, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. Let me know if you didn't understand anything or struggle with anything. Drop me a comment. As always, I'll try and help. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye.